If you're struggling with hair loss or bald spots, aloe vera could be the natural solution you've been looking for. Its ability to promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and maintain scalp health has led many to use aloe vera gel as a natural remedy for hair regrowth, especially in bald patches. With its anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera soothes the scalp and calm irritation and inflammation, which may be contributing to hair thinning and bald patches. Aloe vera also contains proteolytic enzymes that help repair dead skin cells and clear blocked pores, allowing hair follicles to grow more freely and rapidly. How to use aloe vera gel for hair regrowth on bald patches. For the best results, use fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant. Cut a healthy aloe vera leaf and slice it open. Scoop out the gel using a spoon or knife. Ensure that the gel is translucent, as this is the purest form of aloe vera. Before applying aloe vera gel, make sure your scalp is clean and free of any dirt, oils, or hair products. Once your scalp is clean, take a generous amount of aloe vera gel, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and begin applying it directly to the bald patches. Using your fingertips, gently massage the gel into the affected areas in circular motions. Be sure to cover the entire bald spot with a thin layer of aloe vera gel. Use your fingertips to massage the gel into your scalp. This helps stimulate blood circulation to the hair follicles, further promoting hair growth. Leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then rinse it with lukewarm water. For effective results, it is important to use aloe vera gel consistently on bald patches. With time, you will start seeing the appearance of new hair follicles on bald area. So that is it from today's video. Tell us in the comments if you have ever used aloe vera for hair regrowth. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty truths.